Hello there! Today we look into the features of the icon block, which is included in the Kaledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Icon control. This control allows us to select an icon from a collection of 28 different icons. The color and size of the icons are customizable. These icons are sourced from Bootstrap Icons, an open-source icon library. Icon link control. This control allows us to add a link to the icon block. By default, a new icon block does not have a link. So first, we must enable the link feature and then copy and paste the link in the text field. However, we must make sure that the link is correctly formatted. Icon color controls. There are two controls for the icon color, one for light mode and one for dark mode. The light mode control allows us to set a custom color or to pick one from the theme color palette. The dark mode control is identical to the light mode control. To preview the dark mode color, we just need to enable the corresponding option in the plugin sidebar. Icon size control. This control allows us to set the same width and height in pixels for the icon block, resulting in a square icon. To change the icon size, simply move the range slider or enter a numeric value. Thank you for watching.